Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista. I am a stay-at-home mom to two little boys here in Georgia. We live in a small 2-bedroom apartment, and yes, we love it. We love our life. We have so much fun even doing the smallest things. Today's video is kind of all over the place. I just kind of did some random things around the house and decided to film it. And I started off by doing the dishes. I am constantly doing dishes. It is a never-ending task. I feel like I have to do it multiple times a day, and that is because I always put it off until it just like overflows. As you can see, I have a lot of dishes here that I'm doing, but I'm actually starting to get on a better routine now, and I will show you maybe in a video later on down the road what I'm doing every day to kind of keep my house somewhat picked up. I'm trying to make it a point to keep certain things picked up throughout the day, make sure I'm doing the dishes after we eat, things like that, and I will show you in a video later on. But yeah, so I do all that, and I like to make sure that my kitchen is more clean than like the rest of my house. I don't know why, I just love waking up to a clean kitchen. So I've been trying to make a point to keep the kitchen clean, keep the table cleaned off, because our table is like a catch-all in this house, and I really want to start eating at the table. Currently, we just have the boys like sitting at their high chair and at their table in the living room, and then me and Jared, we will just sit on the couch and eat, which I know that's like what a lot of families do, but I really want to try to make it a point to have dinner together at the table. So I'm going to try to start doing that. So I need to have the table cleaned off. So yeah, and here is my favorite part of cleaning. I love cleaning out the sink. A little trick to cleaning out your sink is, you know that the suds, they like build up. Do it with cold water and the suds just go right down. And I learned that on TikTok actually. And if you are not following me on TikTok, go follow me on TikTok. I'm starting to make TikToks over there. It's the same name as here, Balancing Bex. Go follow me over there, and I would love to have you. I'm just having fun, you know, making content, and yeah. So let's focus on the cleaning.
City of love and of heartbroken fools. The streets are alive and remind me of you. And I can't go quiet on a Brooklyn-bound train, so I stand alone in the Manhattan.
This is what I meant when I said that my table is a catch-all. It is just ridiculous. We just throw everything on the table and forget about it. So I'm trying to make a point now in this video actually to stop putting everything on the table and just leaving it there. Like, I understand like whenever we get groceries and stuff, putting it on the table, but I want to put it away right away. This day, well, the day before, we had actually went and got Mother's Day gifts for our parents, and so that is what I'm putting together here. Just a few, you know, little things here and there. It's nothing big, but I like to try to make a point to get them something because they help us out so much with the boys. So I just got something small for them, and I hope that they really enjoy it. And then Jared likes to put all of his stuff on the table and just leave it there, so I'm going to try to get that cleaned off as well. So here you see me, this was something that Ollie was wearing earlier today, and I had to change him because he got chocolate all over it. I'm struggling getting stuff out of the boys' clothes. So, like, all their clothes are getting ruined with like chocolate or stuff like that. So I got this stain remover. It's just a Great Value brand, but it doesn't seem to like get it out without me like scrubbing it in with a brush. It helped a little bit, me scrubbing it in with a brush. There's still a little bit of a stain there, but it's better than nothing.
And when our names get lost in history, and when there's no meaning to legacy, look in my eyes, do you see me? You're the only thing I need. You play the strokes again. Rooms burn beyond saving. Burn bridges might as well.
So one thing that I like to do is switch out my decor every once in a while. And I don't just buy everything all at once. I try to save up and then buy as we go, and that's what we did here. I got some stuff to kind of not really redo the bathroom, but just freshen it up a little bit. I wanted some pops of color, but I don't like bright colors. I like darker colors, so that's what you see me doing here.
No sleep, already counted all the sheep. I'm thinking about what you have thought of me. The more I'm thinking of you, the more you ruin them.
This is what I meant when I said that this video is just kind of all over the place. I didn't focus on just like one room at a time. This is actually a different day. We had picked up a couple things that we needed. In this apartment, we have no storage, so I wanted to get like an over the door hanger for our towels, which has worked out amazingly. And then, like I said, I save up to get new things to decorate with. So I got 2 new pillows for the couch. That way I could put 2 of the brighter pillows on Jared, the love seat. I call it Jared's couch because that's where he sits. As you can see, our house is a wreck right now. I will be cleaning that up later on. But so we did that, and if you notice, we also changed out the curtains a while back. I did have brown curtains. And then I also got 2 it's a twin pack of 2 new drying mats because it was desperately needed. All of this came from like either Walmart or Bealls. Sorry, you can hear Ollie. He is about to pitch a fit for some reason. So this actually worked out a lot better. We have more room than I thought now. Like, one's smaller, one's bigger. It was kind of annoying. But we have more room. And I also got a thing to put this stevia in. We don't use sugar. We use actual stevia because Jared is a type 1 diabetic, so we don't have sugar in the house. And that just looks so cute. I am in love with it. I got it from Bealls Outlet, and it's so cute. I just fell in love. The next thing that I wanted to do is freshen up our porch. It needed to be swept off, obviously. I really actually do need to get like some water and some cleaner and clean the porch, but I didn't do that this day. So I just swept it all off and cleaned up a little bit on the table and stuff like that, and then put out a new doormat and a pillow. And this is actually going to be the end of the video. I didn't do much else after, fixing it up a little bit in the house. I didn't clean the living room like I wanted to, but everything turned out okay. I love the way that the porch turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe it gave you some motivation. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.